Hi friends, it's me Aftab Ahmed and today I am here with the new topic and today's topic is about the national birds of countries. Friends, I hope you will like my this topic, you will share my this topic and you will comments on my this topic. And friends, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel. Come to the topic national birds of countries. Here is the question. National bird of Japan is Here are four options. A. Green pheasant, B. Kiwi, C. Two-headed eagle, D. Bald eagle. And the correct answer is A. Green pheasant. Next question is national bird of America is Here are also four options. A. Falcon, B. Bald eagle, C. Gallic rooster, D. Golden eagle. And the correct answer is B. Bald eagle. Next question is national bird of China is A. Kiwi, B. Golden eagle, C. Red crowned crane, D. Bald eagle. And the correct answer is C. Red crowned crane. Here is another question. National bird of England. A. Oriental Magpie robin, B. Falcon, C. Chacor, D. Robin. And the correct answer is D. Robin. Next question is national bird of Turkey. There are also four options. A. Redwing, B. Golden eagle, C. Corsair, and D. Robin. And the correct answer is A. Redwing. Here is another question. National bird of Australia is A. Collared lory, B. Emu, C. Golden eagle, D. Kiwi. And the correct answer is B. Emu. Here is another question. National bird of New Zealand is A. Siamese fireback, B. Bald eagle, C. Kiwi, D. Grey jay. And the correct answer is C. Kiwi. Next question. National bird of Canada. National bird of Canada is A. Gallic rooster, B. Siamese fireback, C. Golden eagle, D. Grey jay. And the correct answer is D. Grey jay. Next question is national bird of Scotland is also four options. A. Golden eagle, B. Kiwi, C. Robin, D. Corsair. and the correct answer is A. Golden eagle. There is another question. National bird of Pakistan is. There are also four options: A. Redwing, B. Chakor, C. Golden eagle, D. Robin, and the correct answer is B. Chakor. So friends, it was today's topic. I hope you will like my this topic, you will share my this topic, you will comments on my this topic. And friends, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel. So friends, see you in next video. Goodbye.